Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Ramp Health app is and how it's positioned. Ramp Health is a health and wellness app developed as part of a broader workplace health platform, designed to support users with personalized health and safety resources based on official App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a 24/7 digital health companion that delivers customized content and guidance tailored to individual needs and health data, according to the developer's official description. Users can access a personal health profile with actionable steps aimed at reducing health risks, which is explicitly listed in official app features. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app provides personalized recommendations, activities, and courses that are adjusted based on user interests and health information entered into the platform. It also includes challenges, missions, and events that may help encourage ongoing engagement with health goals, as described in official listings. According to the developer, users can receive guidance from healthcare professionals through the platform, which may support decision-making around health and wellness. The app is part of a larger digital health system used by employers and organizations, which may mean access and features depend on participation in a supported program. It also emphasizes privacy and compliance with health data regulations like HIPAA, which the developer states is part of its data protection approach. Some features, such as full personalization or access to certain programs, may vary depending on how the app is configured by an employer or organization, and this should be considered a potential limitation. This app may be useful for individuals enrolled in workplace wellness programs who want structured guidance and health tracking in one place. For users interested in personalized health content combined with professional guidance, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.